In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error saving changes issue in Notion, step by step, using simple methods that work in 2026. This error can be extremely frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of editing an important page, database, or workspace, and Notion suddenly refuses to save your changes. The good news is that in most cases, this problem can be fixed quickly without losing your data. I'll walk you through every step clearly so you can follow along, even if you're brand new to Notion. And before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you should try is duplicating the page that's giving you the error. In Notion, go to the page where you see the Error Saving Changes message. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the page, then choose Duplicate. This creates a fresh copy of the page in your workspace. In many cases, the duplicated page will sync correctly, and you'll be able to continue editing without any issues. Once the duplicate opens, try making a small change and see if it saves properly. If it does, you can safely continue working from the duplicated page and delete the original one later. If duplicating the page doesn't immediately fix the problem, the next step is to refresh and wait. Sometimes this error is caused by a temporary sync issue on Notion servers. Simply refresh your browser tab or restart the Notion desktop app. After refreshing, give it a few seconds before making any changes. Avoid typing too fast right away and see if Notion successfully saves small edits. This waiting period allows Notion to re-establish a stable connection and often resolves the issue on its own. Next, you'll want to check your internet connection. Notion relies heavily on a stable internet connection to save changes in real time. If your Wi-Fi is weak, unstable, or keeps disconnecting, you're much more likely to see saving errors. Try switching to a stronger network, restarting your router, or even using a mobile hotspot temporarily. Once you're on a stable connection, reload the Notion page and test again by making a small edit. Another very important fix is removing heavy content from the page. Large images, embedded videos, big files, or complex databases can sometimes cause syncing issues, especially on slower connections or older devices. Try removing or temporarily moving heavy blocks like large images, embeds, or long tables to another page. After removing them, check if the page starts saving changes normally. If it does, you can re-add the content gradually to identify what's causing the problem. If you're still seeing the error, the next step is to log out and log back into your Notion account. To do this, click on Settings in Notion, scroll down and choose Log Out. Once you're fully logged out, close the app or browser completely. Then reopen it and log back in using your account details. This refreshes your session and often fixes account-level syncing problems that cause saving errors. After logging back in, return to the page and try editing again. In most cases, one of these steps will resolve the issue and allow Notion to save your changes normally. If the error still appears after trying everything, it could be a temporary Notion outage, in which case waiting a little longer or checking Notion's status page can help. And that's it. You now know how to fix the error saving changes error in Notion using simple and effective methods. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tips, productivity guides, and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.